how to compress video on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to show you how to compress a video on your iPhone so you can save space on your device. So, let's dive right in. You can go to settings and then you can tap on camera, and then here you can adjust your video recording settings. You can go to record video option, and for instance recording in 4K at 30 frames per second can take up to 350 megabytes for just 1 minute of video. So you can set it to 180p HD at 60 fps. This is the most useful one to save the space and compress your video. So by adjusting these settings, it will lower the resolution, but it can also significantly reduce the file size on your iPhone. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.